That wind is going to be whipping later on today. As I record this at about 6:30 a.m. on Friday, March the 14th, we haven't seen much wind, if at all, yet. In the mountains, though, that snow has really started up along with the wind as well. In Denver, we're not going to get much, if any, snow for us today, but we will see a bunch of wind, and that means that flight delays could be an issue, especially after about 9, 10 o'clock or so this morning and through the rest of the day today. Now, in terms of those other impacts, Eastern Plains, if you're driving north and east of Denver, I think once we get to about 9, 10 o'clock or so and that wind picks up, we will see a brief period of rain and snow that could mean some brief blizzard-like conditions out on the I-70 and I-76 corridors. I would say I-76 in particular could be dealing with some of that. Here in Denver, we see a little bit of rain flipping over to snow, little if any accumulation for us here in Denver, and that's if we see any snow. It's pretty warm out here right now. We're in the low 40s. Any snow is going to have a very tough time falling and sticking, so I don't think we're talking about much, if any, accumulation for us here in town. Again, the story all day long will be the wind. Now, looking ahead, Saturday, kind of cloudy and cold for us, but we at least are going to be on the drier side, and the wind won't be nearly as bad as today, so that wind dies down tonight into early tomorrow. And then on Sunday, we're in the 60s, 70s by Monday, so we're thick in the middle of spring, right? Wrong. Because next Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, there's the growing potential for a few inches of snow, perhaps including us here in the Denver area. We'll get you more on that as it gets a bit closer. But in the meantime, the wind will be the story today as we have that bomb cyclone developing east of us. And that means on the backside of it, we get all that wind here across eastern Colorado.